Hello, you all, and welcome once again. This is Gurpreet Singh on this side who tries to make maths easy for you. So, thanks a lot for your great response to my videos. So, don't forget to press subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet in order to get new updates and new videos regarding your maths syllabus regularly. So far, we have been discussing exercise 4.1 NCERT maths, that is linear equations in two variables, and we have successfully completed exercise 4.1 in our first video. It was related to the general form of the linear equation. Now, as I have written already, we have to discuss the solution of a linear equation. Whenever we say solution of an equation, what does it mean? It means the set of all those values which are satisfying the equation are known as the solutions of the equation. So solution, for example, there is an equation x plus 5 is equals to 0. Find the value of x. X is equals to minus 5. Now again resubstitute, you will get minus 5 plus 5. And what is minus 5 plus 5? That is always 0, which is equal to right hand side. It means x is equals to minus 5 is satisfying the original equation. That means x is equals to minus 5 is a solution of the linear equation. Okay, so I'm sure that now you have understood what a solution means. So let's move to the examples of this exercise, and in this exercise we have to find the solutions of a linear equation, which is very easy according to me. Let's move to our very first example, that is example number 3rd of this exercise 4.2. In that example we have to find 4 different solutions of x plus 2y is equals to 6. Clear? You have to find 4 different solutions of x plus 2y equal to 6. Now, in simple words, we have to find 4 different values of x and 4 different values of y. Clear? First of all, when you have to find solution of any linear equation, just use 0. Firstly, for the first equation, first solution, put x is equals to 0. When you put x is equals to 0, what will you get? We get 2y is equals to 6. Clear? And what is y? Y will be equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. Alright, so our first set of solution is 0, 3. We write it like this. The first coordinate, it's always of x, and the second one is always the value of y. So we have found one solution. Now, we have put x is equals to 0. Similarly, put y is equals to 0. Put y is equals to 0. We get, what will we get? X plus 0 equal to 6, and x is equals to 6. So our second set of solution is 6, 0, because x's values is 6 and y's value is 0. Clear? We have found 2 different solutions. We have to find 4. So similarly, as we have put x is equals to 0, put x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1. In your book, they have substituted x is equals to 2 by the method of inspection. It means, let me clear you with that as well. It means they have tried different values to satisfy this equation, and they have found out that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 is satisfying the equation, because when we put x is equals to 2 and y is equal to 2, we get 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. That is why they have directly substituted 2. But if you want to go like this is also correct, and it's easy as well. So firstly, we'll go with the 0 and then we'll go with the 1, as simple as that. Now put x is equals to 1. 1 plus 2y is equals to 6, or 2y is equals to 6 minus 1, or 2y is equals to 5, or y is equals to 5 by 2. Our third set of solution is 1, 5 by 2. Don't worry that your answer is in fraction. You don't have to do anything with your answer. You have to just find it. So don't worry. Now, as you have put x is equals to 1, put y is equals to 1 as well. You will get x plus 2 multiply 1 is equals to 6. X plus 2 is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 minus 2, and x is equals to 4. Our fourth set of solution is 4, 1. Clear? This is how we have found different solutions, and these are 4 solutions: 0 comma 3, 6 comma 0, 1 comma 5 upon 2, and 4 comma 1. This is how you can find the solutions, as many solutions as you can, of any linear equation in two variables. So let's move to our next example, that is example 4th. In this example, there are 3 parts, and in all of the 3 equations we have to find 2 solutions each. So firstly we will discuss our very first, that is 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. Clear? Now firstly put x is equals to 0. You will get 0 plus 3y is equals to 12, or simply 3y is equals to 12. So y is equals to 12 upon 3, that is 4. Your first set will be 0 comma 4. Clear? And we have to find only 2 solutions, not 4. Now for the second set, put y is equals to 0. What will you get? 4x plus 0 is equals to 12. It means 4x is equals to 12, and x will be equal to 3, because 12 upon 4, that is 3. Your second set becomes 3 comma 0. So you have got 2 solutions. Clear? Now let's move to the second equation. I'm solving like this because it will make it more easy to compare the equations, that how we are solving them. So second equation is 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. Clear? Now put x is equals to 0. What will you get? 0 plus 5y, that is 5y is equals to 0, and what will y be equal to? Y will also equal to 0 upon 5, that is 0. So our first set is 0 comma 0. Clear? Now see that when you will put y is equals to 0, you will again get the x is equals to 0. So your second set will be same as the first set of solution. That is why we will not put y is equals to 0. We will put y is equals to 1 or x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1, you will get 2 plus 5y is equals to 0, or 5y is equals to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, or y is equals to minus 2 upon 5. So our second set would be 1 comma minus 2 upon 5. So we have found the other 2 solutions as well. Alright. What is our third equation? That is 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. And you can see that there is no x in this equation. So firstly make it a linear equation in 2 variables and introduce x by writing 0x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Alright, we have made it a linear equation in 2 variables. Now do the same, put x is equals to 0. When you will put x is equals to 0, you will only be remain with 3y plus 4 is equals to 0, or 3y is equals to minus 4, or y is equals to minus 4 upon 3. So your first set will be 0 comma minus 4 upon 3. You have now put x is equals to 0. You cannot put y is equals to 0 or y is equals to 1 or any value of y, because x is already being multiplied by 0. So whatever you put in the place of y, your x is not gonna come. So there will be no value of x if you substitute y with some digit. So we will substitute x only. Now put x is equals to 1. Alright, now put x is equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 0, again 0. You will again left with 3y plus 4 is equals to 0, and again it will be 3y is equals to minus 4. Again it will be y is equals to minus 4 by 3. So your second set of solution will be 1 comma minus 4 by 3. The y coordinate is same. So this is how you have to find the solution of different linear equations in 2 variables, and the exercise is very easy. You have to find the solutions only, and I am pretty much sure that you will be completely able to do the exercise because I have made the examples easy for you. I hope you have understood all the examples, and with this we have completed our exercise 4.2 as well. So thanks for watching the full video, and practice maths as much as you can, because as you have heard that practice makes a man perfect. So that is why practice it a lot. If you find any query or any problem in any of the question in finding the values or in any of the chapter, feel free to post it in the comment section and I will be assisting you possibly. So thanks for watching, keep practicing, and don't forget to press the subscribe button before you leave my channel, and all the very best.